One sa morning, 2 sa afternoon, and then 1 sa evening. So pili lang kayo doon. And then for those students who did not take their quiz 1 and 2, yan sa Friday, I will also post schedules for quiz 1 and 2. Okay, and then topic today will be your exam coverage. Okay, so I suggest taking down notes or recording the video. Okay, you can record the video, my examples given. Okay, you can use what mga OBS studio or whatever. Okay, to record. Ayan. Okay? All right. Ayan, so let's start. Okay. Okay, so for your exam, this Friday, you will be given a Python code, and then you're going to solve for its function. Okay, so for example, we have a function here. Okay, our function, for example, is 5 n log n. Okay, plus 3n plus 20. Yan. Okay, this is our function. So you're going to solve for this function. So you'll be given a Python code, and this will be your answer. And then you're going to solve for this, for the big O. Okay, so you're going to solve for the big O of this, okay, which is 5n log n plus 3n plus 20. Okay, so ganyan. So you're going to solve for the big O. Lagay ninyo dito yung CGN. Okay, and then you're going to solve for the omega, CGN. Okay, ganyan. Okay, so this will be your answer, and then you're going to solve for the value of C here and the value of N here because it's unknown. Okay, and the value of C here and the value of N here. Okay, kasi unknown. And then this will be our, okay, this will be our omega. This is O, and this will be theta. Okay, so for theta, C sub 1, C sub 2. Okay, dalawa ang answer. And then isa lang ang N. So yan ang isosolve nyo sa exam. You're going to solve for this, the omega, the O, the theta, the value of C and N for omega, the value of C and N for O, and C1 sa C sub 1, C sub 2 for theta and N. Okay, yan ang isosolve ninyo. Alright, so let's proceed to solving this example. Okay, so yan, erase ko na lang. Okay, ayan. Okay, so let's proceed to solving this one. So by looking at this function, first is you need to get the largest term. Okay, yun ang first thing na gagawin. Okay, get the largest term. So what is the largest term? It is n log n. Okay, this is the largest term. So automatically, we know the value of Gn already. Okay, so this is O n log n. Okay, that's the largest term. Okay, but you still need to solve for the value of C and the value of N. We don't know the values yet. Okay, so in this case, okay, what's the first thing you need to do? Is you're going to, okay, okay, if you look at this example, okay, your value of C must be greater than the function. Okay, so let's start first with, okay, let's start first with, for example, okay, so it needs to be, equal. Okay, so in this case, I will assume that C is equals to 9. Okay, assume muna ha, assume. Okay, assume C is equals to 9. Because if you look at the following, okay, if you have a number here, c is equals to 9, whatever value you come up with here, it must be greater than or equal to our function. So if c is equals to 9, so if c is equals to 9, okay, so we can simply substitute the value. Okay, so using CGN, so this becomes 9, okay, n log n. Okay, naging n9 log n yan. So this is the c, and then our gn is n log n. Okay, so we are now going to prove if this 9n log n is greater than our function. So our function is n log n plus 3n plus 20. Okay, so what you will do here is, since we have c already, we need to know the value of n. So the value of n is unknown. So we're going to get the value of n from this. Diyan natin kukunin ng n. Okay, we're just assuming c is 9. So meaning this is not the answer yet. Okay, so to get the value of n, we subtract all of this to 5 log n. So why do we need to do that? Because ang maiwan dapat dito is n. Okay, n. So itong dalawa, okay, dapat ang maiwan is n. So meaning, itong 20 dapat mawala, itong n log n dapat mawala, itong 3 dito, itong 5 mawala yan, and then itong 9n log n dapat mawala. So dapat ang maiwan lang is n. Ito lang yung maiwan. So how do you remove all of that and only leave n? Okay, dapat si n lang ang maiwan. Okay, so first is, you need to subtract all of this. I-subtract mo yan siya lahat sa 5n log n. So if you subtract this sa 5n log n, kailangan i-subtract mo rin ito sa 5n log n. Okay, so minus 5n log n. Okay, minus this with this. So if you minus this with 5 log n, ang maiwan na lang is 3n plus 20. Okay, yan na lang. Kay 5n log n minus 5n log n, yan na lang, 0 man. Okay, less than equals to 9 minus 5. So you can subtract these two because they are the same n log n. So that is 4n log n. Okay, so what's the next step? Okay, so if you look at the example given, okay, in this case, okay, so in this case, okay, we need to assume another value for n. Okay, kasi the value here must be greater than equals to this. Okay, for example, n is 1. So if n is 1, you're going to substitute 1 here, and then 1 here. So it's supposed to be greater than. Okay, so let us just assume, for example, that n is, it needs to be greater. Okay, so if n is equals to 4 and not 1, okay, and then you're going to log 4, okay, divide it sa log 2, okay, log 2. So if you have a calculator, okay, calculator, if you solve this one, okay, calculator here. So our calculator is, what is, ito muna, log n. Okay, what is log n? Since n is 4, log n is what? So log n is log 4 divided by 2 log. Okay, wait. Tama ba yun? Okay, 4 log 4. Wait, equals divided by 2 log. Wait. Teka, 4 log. Teka. 4 log 4 equals, okay, divided by log 2. Okay, so yun ang answer natin, 2. So this is 2. Okay, 2 ito siya. Bunsoy. Okay, so ayan. So this is 4 and 2. Okay, next is let us substitute. So we're just assuming this. Okay, we are not sure yet if n is 4. So in this case, if n is 2, this is the upper bound. Okay, next let us substitute 4 here. So this is 3 times 4. Okay, plus 20. Okay, so this is 12. 12 plus 20. Okay, this is equals to 32. Yan, so 32. So this is 32. So we have 32. Okay, so is 32 less than equals to 4 and 2? Okay, so 4 and 2, 4 and 2 is 4 times 4 kasi n is 4. We're assuming n is 4, 2. Okay, so you will see here, this is 4 times 4 times 2 is also 32. Okay, 32 din yan siya. Okay, so meaning 32 is equal or less than. So in this case, we can now conclude that n is 4. Okay, so n is 4. So if n is 4 and c is 9, this is our answer for big O. Okay, ito yung answer for big O natin. So we have okay, so we have this as our answer. So if C is equals to okay, our C here is 9, and then our N here is equals to 4. Okay, so ito yung answer natin. So that is how you solve for a function big O of ito n log n. Okay, n log n. All right? Okay, so ayan. Okay, let's proceed to another example. Question here so far before we proceed sa next example. Okay, so as what I said, the value of C here and the value of N, okay, is you're going to assume, mag-a-assume ka lang, any number, it can be any number, okay, as long as the O here and function, this is the function, wherein they becomes equal. So meaning, pag equal ang O and function, okay, as what we discussed last time sa graph, if this is the function, okay, this is the function, so O here will intersect siya. So the point where the big O, ito yung O natin, ito yung function, ito yung O, where the O and function intersect, this is the value of N. So the value of N here is 4. Okay? So meaning, pag 4 si N, C must be correct. Okay, C must be 9. So tama si C, 9, kasi nag-intersect sila. So this is the smallest value of C and the smallest value of N. Okay, hindi ko pwedeng gawing N is 8, as C is 8, hindi pwede. Kasi pag C is 8, na siya diri sa baba. Okay, sa baba na yan. So if N is, for example, 3, nasa ibaba na yan siya. Dito na yan siya sa baba. So we don't want that. Okay, so we want the type value of C and N. Okay, so that's the answer for that. Okay, so if it's larger, dito na yun siya sa taas, which is upper bound. Ito na yun. Okay, ito na yun. Sa ibaba, smaller than C and N. So the correct one is the exact C and N where the O and function intersects. Nag-intersect sila. So meaning, it's equal. Okay, equal, di ba? The function and big O is equal. Ito yon, itong point. Okay? Alright? Okay, questions before we proceed sa next example? Okay? So let's proceed sa next. Okay, erase ko lang. So hopefully you're recording this because this will be your exam sa Friday. Okay, so your exam sa Friday is only asymptotic order growth notation. Okay, hindi kasama yung knapsack. Okay. Okay, yun lang yung ano ninyong exam sa Friday. Okay, second example. Okay, second example. Second example, 2n cube minus 10. Okay. So as you can see here, there is, as you can see, there is a minus 10. So what does this mean? So it means that, okay, your omega, okay, let me write this down again, 2n cube minus 10. So your omega here, this is your omega, okay, and this one is your O. Okay, your omega here must not be 2n cube kasi you're going to subtract 10. So it must be lower, it must be less than. So whatever value here or term, it must be less than our function. Okay, and it cannot be 2n cube. Okay, kasi may minus 10 man yan. Okay, to solve for that, let's solve first for the big O. So this is automatically Cn cube. Okay, so we now know that our O is n cube. Okay, alam na natin yan because this is the largest term and that is our Gn. So next is you only need to solve for the C and the N. These are the values that we don't know yet because we need to prove that O is indeed n cube. So you just don't assume. Okay. So next is okay, so to do that, okay, let us, if you look at this function, okay, we have the largest term. Ito yung largest term natin. So if you look at the largest term, our largest term is 2n cube. Okay, let us assume that C is equals to 2. Okay, because this needs to be large. Okay, so if this is larger and this is smaller, kasi we have less than equal. So dapat mas malaki itong Cn cube sa 2n cube plus 10. So meaning, you can use this 2n cube as Cn cube. Yan, okay? So, pwede yan siya 2n cube. Okay? Because this has a minus. May minus 10 kasi. So, the minus 10 here tells us that this will always be larger than this. Okay? Kasi meron tayong less than equal. Okay, di ba? Ayan. Okay. So, our C here is now 2. Okay? So, hindi pa ito yung answer ha. This is not the answer yet. We're still going to prove if that is indeed the answer. Okay. So, next is we're going to get the value of n. Ito naman n. Okay. So, to get the value of n, using this, dapat ang maiwan dito is n lang. Okay, ito lang dapat ang maiwan. Okay? Yan. So you need to how to do that. Okay. So in this case, we subtract 2n cubed sa both sides. Okay. So, okay. So, in this case, yan. So, since our function here is our function, itong our function natin, should not be negative. Okay, ito siya. This is our function. Our function should not be negative. Okay, dapat equal sa 0 or an integer. Okay, so in this case, okay, uh, okay, okay, in this case, how do we solve for n? Ayan, okay, to solve for n, okay, since if we, okay, since our function here, this one, okay, our function here is will always be greater than 0. Okay, 2n cubed minus 10 will always be greater than or equals to 0. So hindi yan siya pwedeng maging negative. Okay. So to get the value of n here, okay, we need to remove the 10. Okay, ayan, alis natin si 10 kasi dapat ang maiwan is n lang. So to remove the 10, you need to subtract 10. Okay? So ang mangyari niyan is 2n cubed negative 10 plus 10. Okay? So itong plus 10 is para mawala itong 10. And then if you do that, you need to do that here sa right side. Okay? So this will become 0 plus 10. So nag plus 10 ka dito, plus 10 ka rin sa 0. Kaya hindi pwede siya lang. It must be both done sa both sides. Okay, so this will result to 2n cubed greater than equals to 10. Okay, so ito na yung answer natin. But it's not yet the value of n. Hindi pa. Okay, so kailangan i-reduce pa natin yan. Okay, we need to reduce this. So how to do that? We need to divide this by 2. Divide this by 2. Okay, so to divide this by 2, it will result to n cubed greater than equals to 5. Okay, ayan. So i-reduce natin. I-divide natin sa 2. Yan, okay. So next is dapat n lang ang maiwan, di ba? Because we don't know the value of n. Yan. So to get the value of n, what is the opposite of cube? It's square root, cube root. Okay, ang kabaligtaran nito, ang inverse ng ano, power of 3 is square root. So meaning, we're going to square root 5, cube root 5. Okay, we're going to cube root 5. So the result of this, cube rooting 5 is 1.7. Okay, which is equals to 2. Ayan. So this is now our n. Ito na yung n natin. Okay? So ang n natin is greater than equals to 2. So pwedeng n is 3, pwedeng n is 4, okay? And other number. Okay? Pwede yan siya any number. But you need to start with the smallest one. Okay? Which is 2. Okay? So n is equals to 2. So in this case, this is our n. Okay? Ito yung n natin. N is equals to 2. Yan. Alright? Okay? So we now have the value of n. We now have the value of c. Okay? Now let us prove and test if that is correct. Okay? Kasi i-check pa natin kung tama yan. Okay. So, how do we do that? We substitute the value of C and N. So, this is 2 power of 2 cube. Okay. And this one is 2. N is 2 cube minus 10. Okay. So, in this case, this is 2 power of 2, 2 to the power of 3. Okay, and then times 2, that's 16 minus 10. Okay, and then 16 minus 10, that is equals to 6. Okay, this is 6. And then what about our upper bound? Okay, so for our upper bound, it's 2, 2 times 2 times 2, and then times 2. Okay, so this is 16. Okay, which is correct. So 6 is less than equals to 16. Okay, so that is how we prove. So, okay. So, ayan. So, 16 is greater than equals to 6. Okay, so we have the value of n of C and N already. Okay, so let's now proceed sa um okay, so let us now proceed sa omega. Okay, so in this case, we have our big O. Okay, our big O is our big O is 2n cubed minus 10 less than equals to 2n cubed. Okay, which is correct. Okay, and the value of CNN is this one. Okay, now let us proceed sa omega. Okay, so we have here Cn cubed. Okay, where is the n cube coming from? Since we already know that omega is n cube. Okay, because O is n cube. Okay, why is this n cube? Because this is the current largest term. And you're just going to substitute this here. So if you do that, this is 2n cube, okay, and then 2n cube minus 10 less than 2n cube. So as you can see, this is not less than our function. So this is greater than our function, di ba? Okay, greater ito sa function, which is true. Okay, but this is not less than. Hindi ito less than this function. Okay, because may minus 10 yan siya. So if there is a minus 10, meaning mas maliit pa daw itong function natin kesa sa lower bound. Okay, so that's why, okay, if you're going to assume that that C is equals to 2, ito yung C natin, 2, and then N, we don't know the value yet, okay, this is wrong because this is not less than this. Okay, it needs to be less than. So in this case, we reduce the value of C to 1. Okay, babaan pa ninyo si C. So gawin ninyong 1 si C. So pag naging 1 si C, this now becomes n cube or 1n cube. Okay, so 1n cube yan siya. So in this case, this will be our omega. Okay, so our omega is n cube, our O is n cube, but we still need to prove that this is indeed n cube. Okay, we have the value of C. The value of C is 1 and not 2. We still need to know the value of n. Yan, okay? So n naman yung isolve natin. So how do you solve for n? Okay, since we have this, alisin muna natin si omega. Okay, let's solve this one first. Okay, ito muna isolve natin. Ayan. Okay, so meaning, okay, we need to get the value of n. Yan. So to do that, okay, we need to subtract n cube both sides. Okay, so meaning this becomes n cube minus n cube less than 2n cube minus 10 minus n cube. So itong n cube at saka n cube dyan minus because we need to reduce this para ang maiwan is n. Okay. So ang result nito, Okay, ang result nito is n cube minus n cube is 0. Okay? 2n cube minus n cube is n cube. Okay? Yan. So we now have this. Ito na yung answer natin. Okay. Next is, so we're solving for n ha. We don't know the value of n. So next is, okay, okay, paano n lang ang maiwan? So that n will be left, okay, dapat mawala itong 10. Okay, mawala si negative 10. Para mawala si 10, i-plus 10 mo yan. Okay, so this becomes 10 minus 10. So pag i-plus 10 mo yan, you're going to do that here as well sa kabilang side. So this becomes 0 plus 10, okay, less than equals to n cube minus 10 plus 10. So 0 plus 10 is 10, less than equals to n cube, 10 minus 10 is 0. Okay, so meron na tayong n cube greater than equals to 10. Gibalik ko lang ito ha. I just reverse this. Okay, to this. Okay, gi-reverse ko lang. Okay, so next is, we have this. Okay, meron na tayong n cube greater than equals to 10. Okay, erase ko muna ito lahat ha. Yan. So what do we do with n cube greater than equals to 10? Okay. So we have n cube greater than equals to 10. So para ang maiwan is n, kasi this needs to be n because we need to know n. Para ang maiwan is n, we need to cube root 10. Okay, so this becomes cube root 10. So bakit cube root? This is power of 3. The reverse of power or exponent is cube, ang reverse niya. So in this case, n is greater than equals to what? What is cube root of 10? It's n greater than equals to. So this is 2.15. Okay. So in this case, you're going to get the integer of this. Yan. So the integer of this is 3. Okay. So 3 yan siya. Yan. It's not 2 ha. Baka 2 yung answer nyo. So it's 3. Okay. So you get the value larger than 2.15. Okay. The integer. Okay. For that. So in this case, since n is greater than equals to n naught, di ba yun man yung definition ng one of the definitions sa omega. Okay. So this will be our 3. So ang n natin is equals to n0. So our n now is equals to 3. So this is 3. So we now have a value for n. Okay? So may n na tayo. So let us substitute that value now. So we're still trying to prove if omega is n cube. Ha? So we have c, we have n. Okay? So this is now substitute natin si 3 dito. Okay, so we're going to substitute 3 here. Yan. So this is 3 power of 3. Okay, kasi n is 3 man and then c is 1. So 1n yan. And then 2, 3 power of 3 minus 10. Okay, yan. So ang result ngayon yan, 2 power of 3, this is 27 times 2, that's 54. Okay, 54 minus 10. So that is 44. Ayan, 44. Okay, and then 3 to the power of 3, that is 27. Ayan. So as you can see, 44 is greater than 27. So pag reduce mo pa yung n, pag ginawa mong 2 yan, pag ginawa mo yung 2cn, this will no longer be less than equal. Hindi na yan siya maging less than equal. So this is the exact value for n. Okay, yan na. And then C, hindi mo na pwedeng babaan si C. Okay, ang C hindi na pwede gawing 0 yan. Okay, so meaning, In this case, okay, this is correct. Our C is 1 and N is 3. So we have omega, C is 1, N is 3. We have O, C is 2, N is 2. Okay. So this is our theta now. So our theta, C sub 1 is ito. C sub 2 is this one. Okay. And our N is you need to get the largest, which is this one. Okay, that is our theta. So you don't have to uh, do that manually. So you just get the largest, which is 3. Ito na yun. Ito man yung largest. Kasi N ito siya, ito 2 ito 3. So largest. So this is C sub 1 and this is C sub 2. Okay, the definition for theta is C sub 1 Gn less than equals to our function less than equals to C sub 2 Gn. Okay, so ito yung omega, ito yung O, okay, and this is our theta. Ayan, so ito na yon our theta. Okay, so that is how we can solve this one. All right. Okay. Okay, so one more example. Okay, all right, questions, clarifications in this example before we proceed sa next one. Okay, none so far. Yan, no clarifications here. Okay, yan, so let's proceed sa another example. Okay, another example tayo. Erase ko na to ha. So for your exam, you're going to solve for the function. You will be given a Python code. Function ay solve ninyo. Solve for the C and N for omega, theta, and O. Okay, ganun ang gagawin. Okay, so, okay, next example. Yan. So for this one, it's, okay, okay, iba naman. Okay, so this is, our function is, okay, yung kanina, ano man yung kanina, di ba, minus 10. Okay, so this time it's 2n cubed minus 3n. Okay, yan, ito naman. So we need to solve first for the, okay, for the big O. Okay, minus 3n naman. So we need to solve for this one. So this is automatically n cube. Okay, n cube na yan. But we need to solve for the value of c and the value of n. So automatically this is O n cube. Okay, O n cube na yan. Okay, so we need to solve for the value of c and n. Yan, okay. So if you look at our function, okay, our function here is 2n minus 3n. Okay, so since this is minus 3n, okay, minus 3n yan siya, gina-minusan daw niya ang 2n square ng minus 3n. Okay, so in this case, if your answer here is 2, pag 2 ang answer ninyo dyan, this will still be larger than our function. Malaki pa rin yan siya dito sa function natin. Okay, because itong 2n dito, ginaminusan niya ng 3n. Ayan, so meaning, kahit na 2n ang upper bound, kasi larger ito dapat, ito siya smaller. Okay, this will still be larger. Ayan, okay? So, ibig sabihin, this will be our C. Ito yung ating C. Okay? Hindi yan siya pwedeng maging 1. Pag ginawa nyo itong 1, pag 1 yan siya, 1n cube, it's not greater. Okay, not greater than this. Kasi Kasi it's going to be subtracted sa 3n. Okay? Ayan. So in this case, we are basing our answer here, gina-base natin yung answer dito sa larger na term. Okay? So our largest term here is 2n cubed, not 3n. So we're going to base our answer here sa largest term. Okay? So in this case, this is 2n. Okay, 2n ito siya. So this is 2n cubed. So our C is 2. Okay, but we're still going to prove that. Okay, na 2 yan siya. So how do we prove that? So we're going to, okay, what's the result? Okay, so our function is now, this is our function, is now 2n cubed. Okay, function, ito, this is our function, and this is our upper bound. Okay, so if that is the case, ayan, our function is less than equals to 0. Okay, less than equals to 0 yung function. Okay, so our function, which is 2n cubed minus 3n, dapat greater, dapat 0 is less than equals to our function, or our function is greater than equals to 0. Okay, so in this case, what is the value of n? Okay, we're going to solve for the value of n this time. So to solve for the value of n, okay, so we're going to factor this out. Okay, factor natin. So if n, for example, is 1, okay, let us assume n is 1 ha. Because we cannot start n is 0, so n mag 1 talaga yan. So if n is 1, okay, so this is less than equals to 2, 1 power of 3 minus 3 times 1. Okay, so this will result to 2 minus 3. Okay, which is equals to negative. Okay, so ibig sabihin, our function must be greater than equals to 0. This is our function. Pag n is 1, negative. Okay, our function must not be negative. It must be greater than equals to 0. So meaning our n should not be 1. Okay, so let us change the value of n. Okay, mali yung 1. So you cannot assume na n is equals to 1 kasi it's negative. Okay, so hindi 1 ang n. So let us try if n is equals to 2. Okay, so if n is equals to 2, our function, okay, this is our function, it must be greater than equals to 0. Okay, so let's substitute. 3, 2. Okay, ayan. And this is 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, 8 times 2, 16, minus 3 times 2, it's 6. Okay, so this is 10. So positive. Okay, so we comply this one. It must not be negative. Dapat greater than equals to 0. Okay, so meaning n is 2. Okay, 2 si n. Yan. So that is how we know if our n is indeed correct. Okay, it's now positive. Yan. Since n is 2, we can now solve this one. Pwede natin isolve yan. Okay, so let's try. So this is, okay, so let's substitute. Okay, so this is, ano yun kanina? 16. 16 minus 6 man ito kanina, di ba? 16 minus 6. So this is 10. 10 less than equals to. Okay, so 10 must be less than equals to 2, and then n is 2. and then 3. Okay? So 2 times 2 times 2, this is 16. Okay, 16. So this is 16 and this is 10. Okay, tama, di ba? Okay, so meaning, this is correct. 2n cube, our big O is n cube, our C is 2, and our n is 2. Yan, okay? So we solved the big O already. Yan, okay? So we solved for the big O. Tama yung answer natin, 2n cube. Okay, we are now going to solve for the omega. Okay, omega naman. Okay, so for the omega, this is 2n cube minus 3n less than equals to 2n cube. Okay, we have here C n cube as well. Okay, so automatically we will know that our omega is n cube. But you still need to solve for the value of its C and n. Yan, we don't know that yet. Okay, to solve this, you need to get a value of C. We're going to get that here sa largest term. Yan, so meaning ilalagay natin yan siya dyan. So this becomes 2n cube less than equals to 2n cube minus 3n. Okay, so I will not include this yet ha, kasi we are done with big O. Ito muna. Okay, we're solving for omega. Okay, so we're solving for omega this time. Okay, so in this case, we're going to assume that C is equals to 1. Okay, so if C is equals to 1, in this case, okay, if C is equals to 1, okay, why is C is equals to 1? If you look at this, we have here our left and right na term. Itong 2n cube cannot be less than, hindi pwedeng maging less than ito dito. Because gina-minus 3 mo ang 2n cube, ito wala gi-minus 3n. Ito may minus 3n, ito walang minus 3n. So meaning this cannot be, ito cannot be less than, hindi siya pwedeng maging less than our function. So meaning C is not C is not equals to 2. Hindi pwede maging equals sa 2. Okay, so meaning babaan natin ang C. Okay, gawin nating 1 cc. Yan, so gawin nating 1 cc kasi hindi man pwedeng 2 yan. So pag 1 cc, we have this. Ito na yung ano natin. This is our lower bound and this is our function. Okay. So in this case, we're going to assume C is 1. Okay. Okay, so we have this one. Okay, so in this case, we need to solve for n. Ito na lang yung wala, hindi natin alam, n. So to solve for n, you need to factor this. So meaning, ang maiwan dapat is n. N lang ang maiwan. Madami mang n ito. May n dito, may n dyan, may n dyan. So dapat ang maiwan is n. So to do that, we need to subtract both sides sa n cube. Okay, so this becomes n cube minus n cube. Dapat bawasan natin ng n. We're going to remove all of these n's kasi sobrang dami ang n. So 2n cube minus 3n minus n cube. So ito na n cube is galing dito. Pag nilagay nyo dyan, minus n cube sila both na left and right na term. Okay, so pag i-minus mo yan, this becomes 0. Okay, n cube minus n cube is 0. And then this one, 2n cube, i-minus mo sa n cube because you cannot subtract 3n sa n cube. Ito lang may kapareho na term. So in this case, this is dalawang n cube. Okay, this is dalawang n cube. Ito siya isang n cube. So 2 minus 1, it's 1. So this becomes 1 n cube. Okay, nawala yung n. Ayan, so that is the answer now. Okay, so next is, we're going to factor this again. Okay, kasi we need to remove all the n. Alisin natin yung n ba? Yan. So this becomes 0 less than n cube n square na pala, sorry. N square minus 3. Okay, we are slowly removing the n. Okay. So in this case, okay, um, in this case, we're going to divide this. Okay, we're going to divide this one. So, okay. So we're going to divide this by n. Okay, divide n both sides. So if you divide this by n, ito, divide by n. Okay. Divide by n. So ang maiwan na lang is, okay, 0 less than equals to n square minus 3. Okay, ayan. So you divide both sides by n. So if you divide this by n, ayan, ayan, divide this by n, ayan, cancel, cancel. So you have this one. Okay, ayan, so divide by n. So after this, okay, we have this one. Erase ko muna ito ha, we don't have any more space. Okay, so after this, we can simply reverse this. So n square minus 3. Pag i-reverse mo yan, itong less than becomes greater than, okay, 0. Yan. Okay. So, ayan. So, okay. So, next is we're going to subtract or plus 3 kasi plus 3 man yan. So, we need to remove this. Paano alisin ang 3 dito? Kasi dapat n lang ang maiwan. So, this will become n square minus 3 plus 3 greater than equals to 0 plus 3. Yan. So, mawala ito. This becomes n square. Okay, and this becomes 3. Okay, maging 3 yan. So we are slowly knowing what's the value of n because meron na tayong n. But this is not n yet. This is n square. So para maging n ito, itong square, kailangan mo ilipat dito. Okay, so if you do that, what is the reverse of exponent? It's cube root, square root. Okay, so this will become, okay, so wala na si power of 2 dyan, this becomes square root of 3. Okay? So, yung square root, pwede na wala. Alam niyo naman square root yan. So, n is greater than equals to square root of 3. So, we're slowly knowing what's the value of n. So, what's the square root of 3? The square root of 3 is, 1.73. Okay? So, in this case, this is equals to 2. Yan. So, n is equals to 2. Okay, may value na tayo ng n. Okay. So let us now solve if this is indeed true. Okay, if C is 1 and N is 2. Okay, tingnan natin. Balik tayo dito. Okay. So this time we're going to substitute. Okay. So since N is 2. Okay, so this is 2 to the power of 2. 2, 3 minus 3, 2. Okay, so dapat less than equal Okay. So this is 2 to the power of 2. 2 times 2, okay, that is 8. Okay, this is 8. And then what about this one? Okay, so 2 to the power of 2, 8. to 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, and then times 2, okay, and then minus 3 times 2, okay, that is ilan? Ah, okay, 2 to the power of 3. Okay, this is ilan yun? So this is okay, this is sorry, teka, 3 pala ito. 2 ang nalagay ko. Okay, so 2 to the power of 2. Okay, so 2 to the power of 3, okay, that is 8. Okay, this is 8, okay, times 2 is 16. Dito ha, 16 minus 6. Okay, so that is 10. Okay, so tama. So 8 is less than equals to 10. Okay, so we can now confident na C is 1 and N is 2. Okay, so as you can see here, this is correct. Okay, correct yung ating answer. So we have n cube. So n cube is less than equals to our function, less than equals to 2n cube. Okay, which is correct. Okay, so 2n cube is less than equals to 2n cube minus 3. Okay, ganyan. So for the theta, so we have here the omega, we have the O. For the theta now, it's this one, itong function. Okay, so for C sub 1, C sub 2, okay, ayusin ko lang. For C sub 1, what is the C sub 1? For C sub 2, what is the C sub 2? And what is the N? So for C sub 1, it's this. For C sub 2, it's this. And then for N, it's the largest. Asan man ang largest? So dalawa, so 2. Okay? So you have this answer for theta N cube. Kasi pareho sila. Ang omega is N cube, ang O is N cube, so theta is N cube. Okay? Yan. So this is C1, ito. C2, which is this. And then the largest of both ends, ang pinakamalaki, pareho lang man sila. So that's N. N is equals to 2. Okay? Alright? Yan. So that is how we prove that O omega theta is N cube. Okay? Alright? Question so far? Before we proceed?
Sir,
Oh, yes. Hmm.
sa C, sir, ba kay manually na gina-check nimo, sir?
Okay, okay. Ito siya, yung C natin dito, mag-start ka sa 1. Kasi if this is, di man siya pwedeng 0. Pag 0 yan, walang n cube. So mag-start ka sa 1. Kasi it's supposed to be 2n. Mag-start ka actually sa 2n. So you get the value here from the function. Dito mo kinukuha ang value dito di ba? So what is the function that is significant? It's 2n cube. So ilagay mo rin dyan 2n cube. But the problem is there is a minus 3n here. So yung minus 3n, it means babawasan mo daw ito ng 3n. So when you do that, when you minus something sa function, hindi na ito 2n cube. Mas maliit pa sa 2n cube kasi nag-minus 3n. So itong 2n cube here cannot be less than 2n cube minus 3n. So dapat mas maliit pa itong 2n cube sa 2n cube minus 3n. Kasi this is less than di ba? Less than man yan. So hindi pwedeng 2 si C kasi yun man yung kanina, C natin is 2. So bawasan mo pa si C, gawin mong 1. So 1 si C. So pag 1 si C, this becomes n cube. Okay. So since C is 1, you're going to prove now if what's the n. Okay, na-solve natin yung n kanina, 'di ba? By factoring. Okay, so na-solve natin. So yun lang. Okay, so you need to assume that omega is this. Ito 'yon. But since may minus, it's no longer the case. So minusan mo ng 1 si C, maging 1 na lang si C. Yan. Okay. Okay. Alright. So, okay, let's proceed sa last example. Okay, one last example na lang. Okay, so this is medyo taas-taas ha. Okay, so we have our function. So this is our function now, 4n cubed minus 5n. Okay, may minus tayo ha, n square plus 6n minus 7. Okay, so you will see here that there is a minus here and a minus here. So meaning, this will reduce the value of 4n cubed and 6n. Okay, babawasan nila. So our O here, okay, should be, yan, okay, should be larger. Dapat mas malaki ito compare dito. Okay, mas higher ito siya. Since fn cube ma-minus na ng 5n, okay, ma-minus na ng 5n. So meaning, we can, kasi normally, pag walang minus yan, pag wala kasing minus, ang kinukuha mo is largest term di ba? Ito yon largest term. Ayan, largest term. Ito yung kinukuha mo, largest term. Okay, i-cube mo ito lahat, 'di ba? This is what we normally do sa previous lecture natin. Ang 5n i-cube mo, ang 6n i-cube mo, ang 7 i-cube mo. So naka-cube yan sila lahat. Okay, that's the upper bound. Okay, but since there is a minus, okay, hindi mo ito pwedeng i-cube ang minus 5n cube. Hindi mo pwedeng i-cube yan. So you must not include this one. Hindi natin isasali yung may mga minus. Ito at saka ito, hindi natin isasali. Kasi hindi mo pwedeng i-minus 7n cube. Pag i-minus 7n cube mo, magliit ito compare dito sa function. So this needs to be higher. Okay, hindi smaller. Diba? So dapat, hindi mo isali ang 5n square at 7. So ang i-cube natin is, ito naka-cube naman yan. So no need to do anything. Ang i-cube natin is ang 6n. Okay, yan ang i-cube mo. Okay? So, ayan. Alright? So hindi kasama yung 5 at saka 7 kasi magliit ang upper bound. Ito yung upper bound sa function. It must be greater ang upper bound Okay? So ayan. So we already discussed paano naging n cube itong n, no? Okay, di ba? So n is less than equals to n square, di ba? Less than equals to n cube. Okay, so meaning ang 6 i-multiply mo sa n cube. Okay, because equal yan silang tatlo. Okay, there are times na maging equal yan sila. Okay, that's why you can multiply 6 sa n cube para maging 6n cube. Okay, yun yung na-discuss natin last time. Okay, so if this is the case, what is the value of C? Ang value ng C dito is dalawa kasi. So we need to factor this. So this becomes 4 plus 6 n cube. Okay, so this is now our C. So our C is 10. So 10 ito. Okay, so this is n cube. Okay, n cube yan. So we now have the value of C. Next is the value of n. Hindi natin alam ang value ng n. So the value of n, okay, our function must not be negative. Yun yung rule dyan. Our function dapat greater than equals to 0. Ito siya, dapat greater than equals to 0. Okay, so let's start first with n is 1. Okay, so di pwedeng n is 0 So n is 1. So if n is equals to 1, i-substitute mo ang 1 dito. Substitute 1 here. 1 times 1 times 1. 1 times 1, 6 times 1. Ang result niyan ngayon is 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7. Okay. So, ang total nito ngayon is -2. So, ang function hindi dapat negative. This is the function kung si n is 1. Okay, which is wrong. Okay, mali yung answer natin. So, hindi pwedeng n is 1. Okay, so we're going to change the value of n. Yan. So, what if n is 2? So, mag-assume lang n is 1, hindi pwede. Okay, what if n is 2? Okay, so if n is equals to 2 now, okay, so if n is 2, let us just substitute. Okay, so substitute natin. So our function is 4, 2, 3, okay, minus 5, 2 power of 2, plus 6, 2 minus 7. Okay, so what's the answer here? So the answer here is 2 times 2 times 2 and then times 4, that is 32, minus 5, 2 times 2 is 4, 4, 5, 20. Okay, plus 6 times 2, 12. Okay, so if you add all of this, may minus 7 pa pala. Okay, 32 minus 20 plus 12. Okay, so that is 17. And 17. So it's positive, check. Okay, it's not negative. So what about this one? So if n is equals to 2, this must be greater than 17. Okay, so let's do just that. So, i-substitute natin si 2. So, 10 times 2 power of 3. Okay. So, this is 8. Okay, 8 ito times 10. Yan, so 80. So, 17 is less than equals to 80. Okay, check, di ba? So, meaning, this is our answer. C is C is 10, ito, and then N is 2. Okay? Yan. So that is our answer now. So N is equals to 2. Okay? Yan. So we have the value for O. Okay? Na-prove natin that this is that O is N cube. Okay? That is our O. It's N cube. Okay? So this is um, 10 N cube. Okay? So C is 10 and then N is 2. Yan. So let's solve for the, this time? Omega. Okay, omega naman tayo. Okay. So this is our function. And what is our omega? Okay, this is our omega now. So for omega, okay, so if you look at our omega, okay, we want our omega to be less than. Okay, this is supposed to be less than our function. Okay, this is our function. And then less than 10 n cube. Okay, so what is our omega? So our omega is, okay, it cannot be, it cannot be, okay, there's a lot of subtraction happening here. Okay, before, ang ginawa natin is 4n cube. Okay, yung sa previous example, di ba? But si 4n cube will not become less than equals to our function ito because there's a lot of subtraction happening here. Okay, so it cannot be 4n cube. Okay, so meaning hindi 4. Yan, so pag hindi 4, what is the value of C? Yan, so we need to solve for C and N. Okay, we already know that this is n cube because that's the largest term, but you just need to get a value for C here. Yan, okay. So in this case, okay, so how do we solve for N? So, okay, sulat ko lahat 4 and n cube minus 5n square plus 6n minus 7. Okay. So the first thing you need to do is you need to subtract n cube both sides. Okay, kasi we need to remove all the n here. Hanggang isang n na lang ang maiwan. Okay, so if you subtract n cube both sides, this becomes n cube minus n cube. Okay, less than ito lahat. Okay, di ko na isulat ha. Minus n cube. Okay, yan lahat. Diyan. Okay, i-minus mo sa n cube. So, kailangan mo i-minus sa n cube because you need to remove all the n. Minusan mo ng n ba? Yan. Okay. So, this becomes 0. Okay, 0 ito. Listen ko ha. It becomes 0. Okay. And then, itong 4n cube lang ang pwede mo ma-minus sa n cube. Itong 5n squared, di mo pwedeng ma-minus sa n cube. Itong 6n, di pwede minus sa n cube. Okay, same with 7. So, this becomes 3n cube. So, na-minus na lang ng isang n cube ang 4n cube. So, naging 3n cube. So, minus 5n square plus 6n minus 7. Okay, wala na rin itong n cube dito. Okay, so yan ang answer natin. Okay, so next is, yan. Okay, so given this, the problem with this is, okay, let's start with n is equals to 1. Yan, so we're assuming n is equals to 1 ha. So if n is equals to 1, this becomes 3 times 3 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7. Okay, so 3 minus 5 pa lang daan, negative na ang answer. So hindi dapat negative ang function, di ba? Yung ano natin sinabi ko kanina. So meaning n is not 1. Okay, hindi pwedeng 1 si n. Okay, so let us change 1. So gawin natin 2. Okay, so what if 2 si n? So kung 2 si n, this becomes 3, 2 to the power of 3 minus 5 power of times 2 to the power of 2 plus 6 times 2 minus 7. Okay. So if you total all of this, okay, this one is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Okay. It's 24. Okay, tama no? Okay. Okay, so 2 times 2 is 4, and then this is 20. Okay, and then 6 times 2, 12. So automatic, you will know that it's positive. 24 minus 20 plus 12, di ba? So this is equals to 9. Okay, so since this is equals to 9, this is our n. Okay, so why did we start sa 1? Bakit nag-start tayo sa 1 kay n? Because our function must be greater than or equal. Okay, hindi ka pwedeng mag-start sa larger number for n. So n must be great. N must start sa 1. So since hindi pwedeng 1 ang n, mag plus 1 ka. So 2 is n. So we already proved that function is positive if n is 2. Okay? Yan. So that is how we will know. So based on this solution, okay, we will now assume, di pa yan siya yung proof na n is 2. So if n is 2, okay, so let us substitute here, the value of n. Okay, so this becomes 2 to the power of 3. Okay, less than equals to our function here. Okay, so since 2 to the power of 3 is 8, okay, and this one is, okay, solve pa pala natin. Okay, solve natin. So this is 4, okay, 2 to the power of 2. Okay, yung kanina. Okay, so this is 9. Okay, yung kanina, 9 man yun, Okay, yan, 9. So 9 is greater than equals to 8. Okay, So meaning, we now have our omega. Okay, may omega na tayo. So our omega is n cubed. Okay, less than equals to our function, less than equals to 10 n cubed. So this is our n. Okay, this is our c. Our c is 1. Okay, our n is 2. Okay, there is 1 n cube here. Okay, so our theta is this one. So our theta is also n cube. Okay, so our omega is n cube. Okay, ayan. So this is our function now. So n cube. Okay, so for this is the c and n for omega, and this is the c and n for o. For theta, we have c sub 1, which is 1, c sub 2, which is 10. Ito yung c sub 2 ni omega. And then n is largest. Asa naman ang largest? So pareho lang 2. Ayan, okay? So that is the answer now. Alright? So for your exam, ang gagawin nyo sa exam, you will be given a Python code. Okay, gagawin niyo is you're going to solve for the function. Okay, you're going to solve for the function. So meaning from Python code to function. Okay, and then okay, so ganyan. So ang Python code, ganyan pag-answer. And then for the big O, okay, input box. And then for the omega, input box. Okay, for the theta, input box. Ayan. So for the O, you're going to solve for the C. Okay, input box. N, input box. Okay, for the omega, ayan, input box na naman. And then input box. And then for theta, dalawa yung C. C sub 1, input box. C sub 2, input box. And then N. Ayan, for theta. Okay, so ganyan ang answeran nyo sa exam. So meaning you have to type here. Okay, mag-type ka dyan ng mga answer mo for function, galing sa code sa Python, omega, O, omega, theta. C for all. Except sa theta, dalawa yung C niya. And then N sa lahat. Okay, ganyan sa exam. So ganyan lang. So sa exam, you will be given 2 problems. Dalawa lang ibigay ko sa exam ha. So in 30 minutes, kay 1 hour man yung exam nyo sa Friday. So sa Friday, sa 28, okay. So 2 problems. So 1 problem, solve niyo yan. And then another problem, 30 minutes solve. So 1 hour yung exam. You need to solve 1 in 30 minutes para ma-answer ninyo lahat. Okay? Alright? Okay, questions, clarifications for an example given. Oh, yes.
Excuse me, sir. What materials are allowed on the day of the exam?
Ano lang, you're allowed to use a scratch paper, okay? Kung if you must, calculator siguro, okay? Pwede na. Basta ano lang ha, do not use yung sa calculator kasi kung calculator baka may yan, factoring. So pwede siguro wag lang mag-factoring sa calculator. But you are allowed to use calculator and scratch pad. So for exam, ito na basically it. This is what you need to answer. Okay, yan lang. So you have to input function O, omega, C, and N. Okay. Yan. So dalawang problem lang Python code sa exam. Okay, para in 1 hour ma-answeran ninyo. Alright? Okay? Other questions, concerns before we end our meeting? Okay? Kaya sa exam, di na mo kaasog questions sa kuha. Diretso answer na mo. Okay? Wala? So let's proceed sa attendance. So ang absent ngayon is yung hindi makita sa Google Meet. Okay, so ang wala si Alim, Han, and Anyas ko lang. Okay, so Alim, wala, Han, wala. Ito ha, so naman si Han. Ayun. And Anyas ko. Okay, oh, yun lang tatlo. Alright, so if you have no questions, see you next week, Wednesday. Okay, wala man tayong klase Monday, no? So Wednesday next week. Okay, so if you're done, you can go. Okay,
Bye,
bye-bye.
sir. Thank you, sir.